Hello guys, uh, you are watching on the screen elephant handmade, different wall hanging, door hanging, handicrafts. You can watch elephant shaped and flower wall hanging. You can watch on the screen different colorful, beautiful elephant shape and the bows with different colorful ovals sitting on the branches, uh, elephant different colors, uh, two ovals made with the woolen strings. You can watch a sparrow, uh, two ovals shape. You can made with hand. You can see on the screen handmade two oval shapes and the heart shapes, um, beautiful branches, ring shaped plants. You can shape a frame, a branch. You can watch on the screen ovals, handmade oval shapes, three oval sitting on the branches. You can shape, you can view on the screen coins, colorful keys, rake, uh, bicycle. Well, you can watch on the screen a pouch, wall hanging pouch, mm, many ovals, handmade ovals. You can watch on the screen a wall hanging beautiful colorful ovals, woolen strings, handmade flowers, and pouch, a big oval and the small oval. You can watch oval and sitting on the moon, four ovals, uh, sitting wall hanging. You can watch houses, different colorful houses. You can watch two oval shape. You can watch in the two ovals and other two ovals. A colorful beer, uh, handmade craft. You can watch on the screen beautiful colorful woolen strings. You can watch the horse, no, not horse. You can watch the flowers and the oval handicrafts, in night,